Hello friends, welcome to Quebec. We're gonna go outside, it's very cold. We'll need some strength to keep us warm. On today's menu, Philly cheesesteak. Our main ingredient is beef sirloin. It weighs 500 grams. We'll use other ingredients, we'll see them as we go. And of course, a classic, provolone cheese. As to the bread, this is a Portuguese style bread. It's very soft, so you won't break your teeth on it. First step, prepare the spread for the bread. Bowl like this, crack open the egg. Throw the shell away. Some Dijon mustard, a nice tablespoon. Done with the spoon. A pinch of pepper, a pinch of salt, a clove of garlic, white knife of course. Another one, white knife, in the sink. Miracle blender in, mix it. Progressively add vegetable oil. It kinda has the consistency of a tapenade. Unplug the blender, shake it. The white knife comes back from the sink. It wants to have a taste. Impeccable. The spread goes in the fridge. Now let's move on to the onions. Onions on the counter. Red knife, of course. Slice it, not too thinly. Turn it. Equalize it. Dice it. Dice in the bowl. Next one, same thing. Slice it. Turn it. Equalize it. Dice it. Dice in the bowl. Knife in the sink. Now let's prepare the meat. Plate, red knife of course. Slice it thinly, like you would smoked salmon. Fat is life, especially when it's minus 25 outside. The slices are thinly cut, not too thin though. Butterfly the last piece. Open it, smash it. Impeccable. Most of the work is done. Let's move on to the bread. Bread like this, the red knife comes back, cut it in two, slice it open. Don't slice it all the way. Butterfly it like this, slice it open. A third one, there's 3 of us. Set the bread aside. Preheat the oven on grill mode. No need for temperatures. The grill mode works like a salamander. The pan reached 200 degrees, a spoonful of duck fat. Onions in. Let them sweat until they have a nice tan. Do a tourne et retourne. Spread them. The onions caramelize beautifully. They kind of candied in the duck fat. Do a tourne et retourne. Switch pans, like that. The pan is hot. A spoonful of duck fat. Spread it. Put the meat in. Flip the pieces. The meat is almost ready. Pour a drizzle of cognac like this. Onions in the pan. We're almost done. Do a tourne et retourne. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. Do a tourne et retourne. Heat off. Our filling is ready. Let's prepare the bread. Take the bread, put it in the oven. The bread should be ready. Open the door. Indeed, it's ready. Now let's plate. There's 3 of us, 3 spoonfuls. Even it out. You want it to be the same size as the bread slices. For the cheese, 1 slice, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And 3. We're all set. Meat in the oven. We're almost done. The bread goes here. The meat should be ready. Turn the oven off. Indeed, it's ready. Our bread is here. Grab a brush. Let's start with 4 slices. We'll do the rest later. Bread on the counter. Put the spatula down. Close it. Some arugula with vinaigrette on the side. A drizzle. That's enough. Quality check. Red knife. Plate it like that. Maître d'hôtel, hurry up, we gotta go in 15 minutes. Thanks for watching from Vendée and everywhere else. See ya, bye.